What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Let's start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, come all the way around towards the bottom, towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's trace that circle along the inside. So we're going to start from the very top, leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up. Now I'll go in and fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side, just lining up the outer edge of the eye. Draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right side. Let's round out the top corners of the mouth, just pulling this around and down. And then we'll round out the bottom of the mouth. From the left, come down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that up on the right. Now from here, I'm drawing the top row of teeth. Let's start right in the middle, draw a half oval, coming down and up on the left. Go back to the center, come down and up on the right. Now I want to repeat this all the way out towards the side of the mouth. Let's start with the left side, come down and up, go all the way across. Now I want to do the same thing along the bottom of the mouth, pointing up. So I'm going to start in the center, go up, and then down. Now we're going to go ahead and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now with the eyes and mouth in place, let's move up and draw on the outside of the head. We'll start right in the middle. Let's step up, start with the left side, then curve around the eye, come down towards the side of the head. I'm just going to pull that down and in just underneath the mouth on the left side. And stop right about there. Let's go back up to the top and go all the way around the right side. So again, going around the eye, down towards the side of the head, round this out, and then we'll bend that in. Now let's tuck the body in underneath the head. On the left side, we're going to step out, start with a curve coming down, and then we'll bend that out. Let's go over towards the right, do the same thing. Now I'm going to round up the side of the arm, come down, and just bend that in towards the bottom of the hand. And then we'll round up the hand and just pull that up and in. Let's tuck the thumb in underneath. We're going to step down, curve down, up, and then out. And then we'll round up the inside of the arm, going up and in towards the top. Let's draw the side of the body. On the top of the arm on the inside, we're going to step up, curl this out, round up the hip, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, down, and in. Let's go in between the hips, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Now leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down. Now I'm going to curve the bottom of the toe, going down and then up. And then we'll draw the outside of the foot and come down and then that up. And I just want to tuck that up underneath the hip, going around and then in. Same thing on the right, again, rounding out the foot, pull that up and in. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.